Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B lead strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with LinkedIn Campaign Manager, visit the LinkedIn homepage. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Join Now button. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager by searching for it in the search bar. Click on the Advertise option in the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the Campaign Manager homepage. If prompted, choose the account you wish to use for your campaigns. Next, click on the Create Account button if you are setting this up for the first time. Fill out the required information for your advertising account. This includes your account name, currency, and LinkedIn page associated with your business. Once completed, click Create to finalize your account setup. Now, you will see your Campaign Manager dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including various sections like Campaigns, Assets, and Analytics. To start creating your first campaign, click on the Create Campaign button. Select your campaign objective that aligns with your B2B lead strategy. Objectives may include brand awareness, website visits, or lead generation. After selecting your objective, set up your audience targeting. You can target based on location, industry, company size, and more. Next, choose your ad format from options like sponsored content, text ads, or message ads. Fill in all necessary details for your advertisement. This includes ad copy, images, or video as applicable. Set your budget and schedule for the campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign. Review all details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click the Launch Campaign button to make your campaign live. Monitor your campaign performance regularly through the Analytics section. Use insights to optimize and adjust your campaigns for better results. Engaging with your audience through LinkedIn is the key to successful B2B lead generation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.